Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying where the woody part ends and the tender stem begins. This is crucial because flavor and texture differ along the stalk. Once done, bend a stem near the base to see where it naturally snaps and trim just above that point. Make sure to peel thick or older stems with a vegetable peeler to remove fibrous outer layers. You'll keep those peels for simmering into a stock or blending into a sauce later. You'll blanch the cut stems in boiling salted water for 2-3 minutes to soften them and lock in bright color. This also removes excess bitterness. After draining, immediately shock them in ice water to stop cooking, then decide. Sauté in olive oil to brown edges or roast at 425 degrees for concentrated sweetness. For deeper use, puree blanched stems with 1/2 cup broth or cream to create a velvety soup or sauce that captures their vegetal essence. You finish by seasoning thoughtfully. A squeeze of lemon, a splash of vinegar, or a pinch of salt will lift the green notes and balance any bitterness. For textures, pass purees through a fine sieve for silkiness, and if a batch turns grainy, gently simmer with liquid and reblend to smooth it out. If stems remain fibrous, continue low simmering to break down fibers, or reserve them for infused stocks where texture isn't critical. This solves most texture problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.